We are all waiting for the final outcome. That is,
If the food doesn't
someone have left his food coach, life coach to be a food coach.
if this isn't a 10 out of 10, I'm going to throw this part.
This one is not coming out well. I don't like this one.
This bean soup. Finally, we have another
It's
soup.
not bean soup. Oh. It's turning to soup.
Is how the ingredient in? You've not added your oil.
But your pot
I love the
has
beans
done my
too.
No, but it's okay. It's soft. I think your sous chef like it soft like this. You're actually the one that like it not too mushy. It's enough.
I like beans when it's soft, not hard.
Daddy likes it not to be too watery like this.
I don't like water beans.
Don't turn it too much. If not, it will turn to your second soup.
I knew it was another bean soup.
Not trying to soup too much.
Is there no onions in this your beans?
No, I've not added yet.
You don't want or you have not added?
This is the last phase. My onion should not overcook.
Yeah, okay.
It will not be good. It will not be.
No.
So, I do. I don't.
Let us have that remove their spoon.
Crayfish there. No.
No, I think you should check. Add a little salt. Just a little. Just a little. Just a little.
Mommy's taste buds are different from mine.
See.
It
your
tastes
spoon.
delicious. I like it. I like it. I love it. I don't like it. I love it. It's delicious.
This is not bad.
Daddy, I'm turning it into soup.
Please, I need this type of thing. I don't want it to be turning up and down like that. So salt in it, mom said, but I don't want too much. This pause for my hand, and that's the end of this pot.
Too much salt has spoiled the recipe. Oh my god.
Why not get a clean spoon and just fetch directly from the container?
Yeah, that's-
I'm scared that it's too much.
It's even looking like it's too much, right?
Yeah.
No, it's not too much. The beans is much.
It's too much, so
We need too much salt.
it's not even enough. But give me a smaller spoon. Let me add my this one, we're trying to burn now.
The soup. Let's check it.
Where is the salt?
Yeah, sit here. I love this flavor.
Beautiful flavor.
It's not burning, right?
Already. So the secret of beans is that when you cook it for the first day, you allow this face to be there. Tomorrow when you come back, you discover that this will not be there.
Which
All
face?
It's showing that it's still beans, right? But it will dissolve from tomorrow.
Yeah.
Then you have a uniform
But you know some people actually cook everything all soft.
soft. Yeah, they want to
From the first day.
overcook it for the first day. Yeah, but
And there's one thing, beans soup, it gets sweeter as the day goes
as the
by.
days goes by, yeah.
And it's a soup that never finishes.
Endless.
The soup never finishes.
Mm,
This is good. I love this taste, honey.
really?
Are you sure I will join you guys in this soup?
Let me taste it. This is my master chef. Let me taste
I actually don't eat beans, this type of beans, so taking it is going to mean gas for me. But with this taste, I think I'm tempted to have a taste.
it.
At least two
More
balls,
salt.
2 balls of swallow.
This needs more salt.
Which kind of salt? Are you a cook?
Salt.
Before you destroy the soup.
I'm not agreeing.
Salt, mommy.
Somebody wants to destroy the soup.
The salt will come out as the days go by.
Yes,
So don't try it for the first day and add everything.
yes, to blend in.